Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, wherein we tackle your questions. And since we have been talking about network diagrams in the past few videos, a question that came in was how do you actually get to know this dependency information for network diagrams? So that's the question we are tackling today. Of course, Lounge Fever are shorter videos, and the entire series of Lounge Fever is just to answer questions that you have. So drop in a comment, send us a tweet, send us an email. We are always available. You can simply drop a comment in the YouTube video, and we'll definitely respond. And if possible, create a video on this, like this one. So, like I said, the question is where is all this info? So, the information like finish to start dependencies, right? The lead or lag, which we talked about. And by the way, I'll share a link to all the videos of schedule management knowledge area and all the videos related to dependencies that we have covered so that you can freshen up your memory on what we are talking about. So, where is this information? Lead, lag, which activity is leading, which activity is lagging, which two activities have finish to finish or finish to start kind of dependencies. And of course, there are four types of dependencies. Three of them are main: finish to finish to start, and start to start. So yeah, so where is this information? Now, if you remember, one of the processes of schedule management knowledge area was define activities. Now, define activities process, one of the outputs of this process was activity attributes. And I'll share a link to the video where we talked about define activities process in the description below. You can check that out. So one of the output activity attributes, this is where a list of all the predecessor and successor activities is present. So this is what you are aiming at. Activity attributes is what you need in order to understand the dependency information that you need for your network diagrams. Now, a legit question here is, what if while creating the network diagram, what if you find new dependencies? What do you do with them? Isn't it too late? Well, it's not too late. If you find new dependencies, add them to your network diagram. The other thing to note here is the project team can determine dependencies pertaining to each of the activities. So if you find new activities, what kind of dependencies do those activities have with each other is something that the project team can determine while you are creating the network diagram. So it's never too late. Whenever you find new project activities or new dependencies among the activities, add them. And the network diagram is a work in progress. Sometimes it's a work in progress while the project work has already began, while you're already in execution. So don't worry about it. Find new dependencies. If you find new activities, just add them to your network diagram. A lot of people send us questions on what books to buy, so you can refer to this link, pmclounge.com/resources. We have listed our favorite books on this resource page. As always, do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and learned something new, and do hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you're into reading, if you want to read articles, go to pmclounge.com, which is your #1 free PMP resource. We have all the videos and all the articles that you need about all the knowledge areas of project management professional certification exam. Thank you.